In this video I will show you how I do so-called cluster stitch, or otherwise also called a puff stitch. I have created a base just like you would do for any hat or any blankie, and let's start with 3 stitches, 3 chain stitches. Then we will place yarn over. Into the first stitch we will put our hook, we pull through. Now we will do the same thing 3 more times. Yarn over into the same stitch, pull yarn through, again yarn over into the same stitch, pull yarn through, and one more time, pull yarn through. And now we will pull the yarn through all these stitches. Now we will go and make a very tight stitch on top of the puff stitch or the clustered stitch. Okay, so we get really nice round kind of puffy stitch, and we will make an extra stitch. And now we are ready to do our second puff stitch, second cluster stitch. So we will put yarn over, count first, second stitch. We will go and place our hook into the second stitch, pull through. We do this 3 more times. Yarn over into the same stitch, pull through, yarn over into the same stitch, pull through, yarn over into the same stitch, pull through. And now again we will pull the entire this yarn through all of the stitches. One more, and we will make very tight stitch, okay, to make it nice and puffy looking. And then we will go and make another stitch, and we're ready for a third puff stitch or third cluster stitch. Okay, so yarn over, 1, 2, pull through, yarn over, pull through. For the third time, yarn over and pull through, 4, and we're ready to do the same thing again. And make it nice and tight, and extra stitch. And this is how we make so-called puff or cluster stitches.